Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Distrokid. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I want to share a story about how Distrokid finessed me out of $1,000.
Hey, yo,
as you can see right here, we on my referral page now. They got me through my referrals, right? Like I said, I promote Distrokid under every video, and when you promote Distrokid, every time somebody signs up, right, they get 7% off, and I get $10, right? And you can see how many clicks I've generated. 8,377 clicks, 205 signups, and it says I earned $1,065. Now Distrokid has paid me out $1,065, just like it says here. But if we do some math, right, and we go to the amount of signups, it's even saying right here, right, 205 times 10, right, that would be $2,050, right? $2,050. That's how much I would earn, right? But it's only saying I've earned $1,000 right here, right? And you can see the amount of clicks I also got too. Now I'm about to pull up a screenshot. Now this screenshot I took on January 19th, right? And on January 19th, you can see it says I had 229 signups, right? I made $2,290, and at the time I had 7,876 clicks. Now I screenshotted this for a reason. I just wanted to make sure, I had proof. Like, for some reason, when I saw that was the amount of referral money I had a feeling that Distrokid was probably gonna take my referral money. So I'm just making this video just to let y'all know, like, when you on here, when you revealing certain information, these companies really don't like that, and I'm not about to hold back just because a couple corporations see me and they might not like what I'm doing. No, I gotta keep giving y'all information just for independent artists, just so y'all know what I go through. It's not always all good. I go through little moments like this where I gotta deal with stuff behind the scenes. But I just wanted to share this story with y'all, just to let y'all know that Distrokid finessed me out of $1,000. Distrokid, I know y'all probably gonna see this video. I don't have no hard feelings toward y'all or the company. I'm just doing my thing. I'm just making YouTube videos. Just a small YouTube channel, making YouTube videos, right? So if y'all gonna take my motherfucking referral money, I'm just gonna stop promoting, Distrokid. So I just wanted to make this video just to let y'all know this story. I thought this was crazy. I thought it was even crazy that I felt the urge to screenshot this as proof, just to show y'all, like, what Distrokid be on sometimes. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.